If you want to change your
voice into anyone or create something without restrictions, filters, or limitations,
where everything is owned by you and for you alone, then this video is just for you.
Welcome back to Lazy Life Hack. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate your support. Today, we're diving into MiMicPC again, an all-in-one cloud-based AI platform.
Wow.
MiMicPC allows anyone to create AI images, videos, and audio, train LoRA models, and much more, all on one platform with no limits. In the past, if we wanted to use tools like Flux, ComfyUI, RVC, and Face Fusion, we had to install multiple AI applications and own a high-end graphics card, which could cost thousands of dollars. MiMicPC bridges that gap by offering a wide range of popular AI apps in one place. I've already covered MiMicPC once before, where I went over how to use it in detail, including features like AI tools, Face Fusion, ComfyUI, and ComfyUI Workflow Hunyuan Video LoRA. If you haven't seen that video yet, be sure to check it out. Since my last video, MiMicPC has introduced some UI changes and added new features. Today we're going to explore some of the most used apps in MiMicPC that we didn't cover in the first video. For those who want to change their voice into celebrities or cartoon characters, under the Hot tab you'll see an app called RVC, which stands for Retrieval-based Voice Conversion. It has a 4-star rating and is one of the most used apps in MiMicPC. Simply start by clicking the Start App button. If you're new to MiMicPC, this is where we choose which GPU to use for RVC. Let's go with Large Pro Bargain for now and click Create and Start. The UI might look a bit confusing at first, but don't worry, you don't need to adjust most of the settings. To download a PTH file for any voice, visit voicemodels.com, link in the description. Here, you can find a wide selection of voice models using the search box. Over 100,000 models are available. Clicking on the top tab will show the highest rated voice models. Look for models that have RVC, V2, and RMVPE in their names. Let's go with Miku. To download, simply click on the model name and then click the download link. Once the download is complete, it will come as a zip file. After unzipping, you'll see 2 files inside the folder. One of them is the PTH file, which is the one we need to change the voice. The other file, the index file, is not required. Here I have one PTH file for Miku and one for Mr. Beast. PTH stands for PyTorch, which is a file format used in the PyTorch machine learning framework. Now let's go back to RVC in MiMicPC. On the right side, you'll see the file section. Click on the folder named Assets, then Weights. Click on the Upload icon. Select both PTH files and upload them. Once the upload is complete, click on the big orange button labeled Refresh Voice List and Index Path. Wait for a moment, and the PTH files will appear under the Inferencing Voice tab. Now, the only thing left to do is upload our target audio. To do this, click on Storage, then Input, and select the file. I already have a sample test 1.mp3 file. Let's hear how it sounds before conversion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Lazy Life Hack. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I truly appreciate your support.
For the final step, go to the Enter the Path of the Audio File section and type ./input/test1.mp3. Under Inferencing Voice, let's select Mr. Beast PTH. Then scroll all the way down and click Convert. If everything goes well, you'll see the text Success appear. Now let's listen to the converted audio.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Lazy Life Hack. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I truly appreciate your support.
Not bad. It sounds great. Let's try another one. This time I'll switch to Miku. Since Miku has a female voice, we need to change the transpose setting from 0 to +12. Here's a quick guide. Male to male or female to female, keep it at 0. Male to female, set it to +12. Female to male, set it to -12. Alright, let's go down and convert again. Let's see how it sounds.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Lazy Life Hack. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I truly appreciate your support.
Not bad, but I think Mr. Beast's voice sounds better. I mainly use this RVC for cover songs or whenever I want to change an existing voice into something else. RVC is widely used by many and it is considered one of the best voice changers in the market. We're back at Add New App again, and this time we're going with Auto1111 WebUI Forge. Forge is an AI image generator, considered one of the best options for running top AI image models like Stable Diffusion and Flux. I mainly use this for image generation as it has all the up-to-date AI models, and it also got features like image-to-image, in-painting, everything all in one place. I can also customize all the settings I want and take full control on how I want the image to be. The UI might seem a bit confusing at first, but don't worry, it's easy as pie once you get the hang of it. To have more workspace, click on the side menu panel at the top right to hide it. At the top left, you'll see the checkpoint section. This is where we choose the models. There are tons of models available, but one of the best options is FluxDev BNB NF4v2 Safe Tensors. After selecting FluxDev, you'll also need to switch the UI to Flux. This ensures that all the settings are optimized for the best performance with Flux. You can also adjust the image size here. If you want a high-resolution image, simply check this option. Now let's type a prompt and hit Generate. It will take about 15 seconds to generate the image. Looks great! At the bottom, you'll see some icons. Click on the image icon, and it will take you to the image-to-image section. This allows you to create a new image while using the existing image as a reference. It will maintain most of the color, style, and pose of the original. Let's change the woman into a man and see what happens. As you can see, it didn't change. The image is still female. To fix this, go down to denoising strength and change it from 0.75 to 0.9. Let's generate again and check the results. Perfect. The image looks nearly identical. The gender has changed successfully. You can also click the color palette icon to access the in-paint feature. Before making any changes, scroll down and set whole picture to only masked. Now let's go back up and select an area. In the prompt box, type baseball cap. So, to summarize, image to image changes the whole image, and in Paint allows you to modify only selected areas. Additionally, WebUI Forge is partially when using the Flux model. Even if you quit the app or forget to download your images, you can still find them easily in the app folder. Just click the side menu at the top right and the folder panel will appear. All your generated images are stored in the output folder. With MiMicPC, you get 24/7 file management, giving you secure and constant access to your files. Plus, creative copyright protection tools help ensure that your original work remains yours. If you are a ComfyUI workflow creator, you can upload your workflow to MiMicPC and earn income whenever someone uses it. There is an entire dedicated page for this, guiding you step by step on how to join the requirements and how to withdraw your earnings. Be sure to check it out. The links will be in the description below. I've already covered AI tools, Face Fusion, ComfyUI, and ComfyUI Workflow in my previous MiMicPC video, so make sure to watch that as well. Explore the latest features and become part of the growing community. Dive into the platform, try out new tools, and share your experiences on social media. Use these powerful AI tools in your projects with MiMicPC to boost your productivity and creativity. Subscribe for updates, share your journey, and connect with other AI creators.